Let's learn how you can fix Instagram messages not sending. This could cause like a few things. First of it could be because your internet connection is bad, so you should check your internet connection. If it says connected without internet, check out if it's all good. Then it may be because of Instagram problem. Like you can go to settings, go general, iPhone storage, scroll down and find your Instagram application and try to offload the app. What you can do is to like remove Instagram from this, so swipe up to remove it, and it should stop working in background and work normally again. What you can do here is, I don't know, check if you did and removed something. If your account is professional, try going back to normal private or public account, and this should fix not messages not sending problem.